Choosing the right social media channels for your school can be tricky because there are so many of them to choose from and they're all quite diverse. Let's break down the most common social media platforms and how they can be utilised to promote your school. Facebook is not only a great platform for attracting and engaging prospective families, but nurturing your existing community as well. As a platform that is widely adopted by a broad range of demographics, having a Facebook page for your school is pretty much a non-negotiable. Instagram is an ultra-popular platform that is great for sharing images and short videos of the various goings-on at your school. It is also a great place to engage with millennial parents and enable user-generated content thanks to its hashtag and location tagging capabilities. If your school is heavily sport-focused, then Twitter is a great place to share instant updates on scores and results. However, a key thing to remember is how easily your content is lost within the newsfeed, so you'll need to post multiple times a day. Finally, we have LinkedIn, which is a great place for showcasing staff and building thought leadership. It's also the ideal place to keep in touch with your school's alumni members and encourage the next generation to enroll in your school. For more tips and tricks on leveraging social media marketing for your school, subscribe to the Digistorm YouTube channel.